won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
Steven, you're muted.
Sorry. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? How are you, Denny?
I'm good. How about you, Steven?
Oh, felt like I hit by a bus today. Oof. I'm exhausted. No, not from trading, but I had a muscle spasm in my upper chest here that just like kicked the butt out of me. Oof. Wore me out. Got no sleep last night, but anyway, I'm here now, going on till 10 o'clock. We just had a really great long on the gold below 69.5. They just ran 10. Wow. Pattern of the day, Denny. Pattern of the day here. If I can have, can you see my screen? Okay,
yep,
perfect.
Screen is up.
Is that when the S&P futures here? I'll bring up the S&P futures. Reverse to buy here. Right here. You can see the buy reversal here at 10:45. It correlated with its 30 and 60 minute, and it also correlated with the underlying ETFs that were in buy mode, blue over orange on the 15, 30, and 60. And I said you're going to get an unbelievable pullback between, before 3 o'clock. And look at this pullback, 245. So I was in the doctor's office, Denny, right? Mm-hmm. And I look at my phone and I see the time, and I see S&P 67.57. Now, they're down from 77, right? Mm-hmm. So I said to myself, good Lord, the 15s are going to set up by the time I get back. When I got back, they were already trading up 20 points. So the oversold, yep, look at that. Beautiful pullback. Oh, my God, this gold just dropped $7. Just caught gold up 7, and then it just dropped 7. Unbelievable. How is everybody tonight? What's up, everybody? Anybody new here? Put a 1. Anybody new here? Put a 1. How is everybody? Great day, everybody. Lee, how are you? Jeffrey, Brinks, how is everybody tonight? When do you think that when you saw NVIDIA and AMD down 5, 7, 8%, that the market would rally? You know why the market rallied? Because Trump's talking about replacing Powell with this guy who's Mr. Dove. Forget it. That's why the market rallied. Trump wants lower interest rates. He doesn't want to pay interest on the national debt. $37 trillion, and we're pushing up almost to new highs again. Oh, my God. This is going to end bad. Hello, everybody. How is everybody tonight? How is everybody? Fiber Spice God and Hood Carlos. Moises, how are you? James Dean. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm on some, how do you say this crazy word? Psychobenzapine. It's I don't know what the hell it is, but Mikey Jacques, man, that was a lot of pain today. So I want to show you something on gold here today at the end of the day, right when we got on, right before we got on here. You can see that gold on the 15, right? It's getting oversold. A friend of mine said, I'm going to short the gold. I said, what are you out of your freaking mind? I wouldn't short the gold. You're bullish on all 3 time frames. Plus, you got the 15-minute time frame getting oversold. Okay, here's the 30, and here's the 60. This was the 60. I said, look at this bull flag on gold on the 60-minute time frame. Go kill yourself. You shouldn't. David, how are you? How are you, everybody? All right. Is Bull Barbie here? I got to give her a call after this. She's in Texas. Corp Trades. How are you, everybody? All right. Jess Hendricks is right here. Jess, I took Hendricks. I had him washed today. He's all smelly clean, right, Hendricks? Right? You're all clean today, right? Daddy loves you, right? Good boy. He's so clean. Not really, but I mean the pain at a 10 is down to like maybe a 6, a little bit better. Thank you, Khalib. Ethan, how are you? Jeff Smith, how are you? Gameplay. We got to get these views up, Denny. Is this because of the holiday, you think? All right. Oh, yeah. Melvin, I need a scotch is right. 1 bourbon, 1 scotch, and 1 beer. Do. Boom. Let's see what these S&Ps are going to do. This was a really great long on the futures market. S&P futures right before we came on here on the 5-minute. Look at this great long here. Oversold here. It got down to the 78.5. And this ran 10 like nothing. 84, 70 to 84. Pushed down again. Another pencil up. Look at that. 10 handles. Yeah. All right. How is everybody tonight? I agree. I agree, trade flows. I agree. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new here tonight? CoinHex, well, it was a great day for longs. There were some great shorts at the end of the day. We had this one short right here. At the end of the day, where was it? Right here? No, wait. It was right here. I was short 88.5 up to the 95 range. 94.5 range. The high was 92.5. You see that? Again, the reason why you make the new high, the MACDs couldn't confirm on the look at that. You're making new highs here. See that? Making new highs and the MACDs couldn't confirm the highs. All about divergences here. Bo Barbie trading. Bo Barbie, can I call you when I'm done from here? Great long. And then if you look here on the on gold, we have what's called a double blue buy signal. That means that the 5-minute time frame reverses to buy. It correlates with the 15, 30, and 60. And what do you look to do? You buy the pullback here on a deep oversold. You can start it here. Look, 69 on gold, just ran 10. If this gold gets up to the 80.5 to the 87.5 range, probably take a little scalp short there. Hey.
I was long again.
You got long? Okay.
On the pullback.
Let's see if you get watching me from London. I'm doing well, thank you. Is that 600 right, Denny, or is that Bull Barbie bringing everybody over? All right. Okay. Gotta call her at the end here.
Probably Bull Barbie bringing them over.
There you
She
go.
always brings in a lot of people for us.
Thank you, Bull Barbie. I'm going to give her a call after the close here, after we're done here.
So we can take this scalp short.
John Richardson. Yeah, I can take the scalp short, but it just dropped. John Richardson, I'm new from Australia. John Richardson, I always have about a dozen people from Australia here.
So 60 and 30 is overbought on the JC gold, right? And when 15 is overbought and 5 is overbought, we can take the short. Right?
Well, no, the bottom line for this is because you're making new highs in the non-confirmation here.
Yeah.
See here?
Yeah.
Market's going to have a hard time. See how it pushed up here to 94 and then dropped 30? So that's why you have the divergences. Thank you, Bull Barbie. Hello, everybody. Hello. 11 green hourly candles in a row. Ridiculous. I agree. When would you ever think, right, that you see NVIDIA and AMD down between 3 and 5%, and you think that they were going to get caboose? So I want to show you, where's Bull Barbie? I want to show her something here. I'm going to show you that. You want to see why we called the longs this morning? Anybody want to see why? Look at the spiders, right? You're making new lows here, right here. S&Ps trade up to 67.30. We, believe it or not, we had a great short, okay, a great short, and then it pushed down to 66.74 right here. You tell me, did the MACDs make a new low here and here? Actually, no. The price actually got oversold into a positive MACD, right? Beautiful. An absolute Picasso. Right? And then here's the big killer of the day. Is when the 15-minute time frame on the S&P futures reversed to buy. And when this reversed to buy on the S&Ps, it correlated right here. Here's the buy at 1045. It correlated with its 30 right here, and also correlated with its 60. And then it also correlated with the underlying ETF on the 15, 30, and 60 on the spiders. Monster long.
On the 5 minutes pullback.
And then you get the pullbacks on the 5-minute right here. That was 1045.
3 p.m. right?
You got some before that.
Oh, before that.
Here's the first pullback right here. 14.5. It got down to 16.5, and then 18.5. 16.5 ran to 29. 18.5 ran right to 40. If these S&Ps push up, what's the high here right now? 93.5. Let me see if there might be a short. And this is a great pullback here. And then this is the pullback right here. They pushed down, boom, dropped 10, pushed up, and then dropped again. And this was the setting up the long here, right into what a bull flag. Oh my God. All right, if you want to take a scalp short here on the S&Ps, 93.5 to 98.5 range, use the even and a half stop. All right. Hey, mates, Johnny C, how are you? We love Picassos. Me too. That was that 15-minute time frame was such was some Picasso. Tried to short the S&Ps up there just now. I mean, the gold just dropped 6. Gold just dropped 6. Okay. And then when you see the push up here, the MACDs are negative. Let's just see here. You can see you're making new highs here, and these MACDs are not confirming the high. Even if I show this to you here, you can see you're making new highs here, and the MACD should be making a new high. It's not doing it right here. It's a trap. I agree.
That's on the lower time.
Can I explain what the 4 charts are? You mean the 4 indicators? Is that what you're referring to? Okay. So the first indicator is a MACD, just 12.26.9. This is my pivot line. And I do use this 85% of the time in conjunction with indicators 1, 3, and 4. Okay. And then that's 85% of the time. 15% of the time, I use indicators 1, 2, 3, 4 based upon the strategy. All right. So we got to see here and wait. Indicator 1 is a MACD. Indicator 2 is buying pressure with a direction of movement. So if you look here, you can see the Russell, the IWMs here, right? The IWMs were very strong. The 15-minute ADXs were rising. Big buying pressure. Look at the 30-minute. Beautiful. Look at the ADX rising on the 30. And what do you look to do? You buy the pullback here on the 15 at 230, 245. Russell 243.95. The RTYs, the IWMs ran 20. So can you just imagine what the Russell did? Great long on the Russell. Great long. I want to show you gold and also if you look at the 60-minute, you can see the 60-minute time frame, positive MACD going higher with the trend. ADX is rising, beautiful. Okay, big buying pressure. Negative here, you got a plus 27. Great long there on the pullback. Hey, Paul, 1906. Good morning. How are you? Picasso. That was an absolute Picasso. And if you look here, Microsoft, I don't know why this thing's taking forever. Well, internet went down. So when here you can see the 15-minute time frame reversing on the and then the 30-minute reversed. These S&Ps are short here.
Order filled.
Let me sort something here. And then what happened was when Microsoft reversed to buy, there's an 85% chance that the lows are in for the day here. And then what do you look for? When the 15s reverse, you can see the yellow dots are into the blue, right? You missed out long on the NASDAQ. All right, you'll get pullbacks. Water filled. Hey, Smoke Trades, how are you? Thank you, Bull Barbie. Bull Barbie, thank you. S&P is already up 15. Index futures pushing up here to new highs. Okay. And then what is the strategy? When the 15 reverse buy, you buy the first pullback on the 15. There it is, Microsoft. Oh. Pulls in beautifully on his bull flag at 3 o'clock, 476.73.
Order filled.
Up. Look to cover S&P's 93.95 if you're short. All right, here we go. Let's see here, 475.40, and ran almost about $3 here. S&P's dropping, NASDAQ dropping. I would lower your stops if you're short. Oh, my legs. All right. Anybody new here tonight? Everybody new? I look based upon the 15, 30, and 60. Any promos for Black Friday? Not really sure. MyFundedFutures, what they're doing. How'd everybody do today? How'd everybody do today? You got kabooshed? Anybody, look at the S&Ps drop. Anybody short the S&Ps? NASDAQ just got kabooshed. There goes the gold right back up. All right, S&P just got down to 92.5. Hey, Jeffrey, how are you, Jeffrey? Nice little short there. 93.25. Just dropped 4. You short the Nasdaq at 154, I would lower your stops. Come on, chicken trader. Let's go. SK Isaac up 500. Great job. Well, if you get new highs and the MACD's non-confirmation combined with the overbought, I'd be looking for shorts. Wow. Look at that. Fiber Spice, he crushed it today. Mr. Mike, I didn't go shopping. I went to the doctor. Right? Jonathan tripled his account in 2 days. That's a great job, Jonathan. Jonathan will be here sometime in January. Let's see here. I want to say thank you for Bull Barbie for coming on here today. I'll be calling you after the after we finish up here. Anybody have any questions here at all? No, Danny Trade, Danny Dan. No giving up, Danny Dan. What are you, crazy? No, just please text me. You should be listening to me in my live stream. Okay? That's what I would help you. What's up, Mr. Freeze? How are you? All right. If you look here, you can see the S&P futures. This was the trade of the day, the 15, right here, oversold. Right here. And it got absolutely kaboomed up. I did mention it. Today's opening or tomorrow's opening? Today's opening. If this gold gets up to the 80, what did it just get up to? Why is this thing doing this? Still think the gold is going to get one more push up here. There was a beautiful pullback at the 245 time period. Bitcoin cannot get going here at all, even though it's up about 400. Why would the market crash tomorrow? Bella, you got to trade what you see. I'm not opinion. Look at this gold. If you're short the gold, lower your stops or just cover below 80. Hand on the mouse. Exactly. My stop loss, I don't do a stop loss like you. I do a dollar stop loss. So if I see that I'm in the red X amount of dollars, I'll just close them. And then if I want to short them again, I'll short them again. $825. All right. Gold setting up another bull flag here. I mean, S&Ps and NASDAQ should get a little bit more of a push down. Gold pushed up into the negative divergence off the 60s. Good job at 190. Good job. My stop loss is based upon a dollar amount. Wow, it's dead. Dead yesterday, dead today. China opens at 8:30. I think China opens at 9, doesn't it? 50K plus. What is that? You can only do what? Three minis on that? A gold entry now? I don't see a gold long. I'm looking for gold shorts. If you look here on the gold on the 5-minute, it's called the double blue buy. This is a beautiful first pullback. See the 5-minute reversing the buy, correlating with the 15. And then what you want to do is you want to buy the pullback here on the oversold condition. Gold rallied like about $11 off that low, Ryan. All right. Oh, give me that. That thing's too small for you. Choke on this thing. Why would the market crash tomorrow? Shanghai opens in 3 minutes. Okay, I guess. How is everybody tonight? How is everybody? No, I'm not gonna. No, gold. If you didn't short, I would cancel it. Yeah, Asia is technically open. I agree. All right. Denny's gonna do some. Denny, you gonna do a giveaway tonight, Denny?
Steven, you know I'm all about the giveaways. I'm doing some giveaways tonight.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know.
No, you're good. You're good. I'm going to put the form out at 9:30. They will have, or 8:30. They will have until 9 o'clock to fill it out. At 9 o'clock, it's getting closed. Oh, I found our first winner for tonight.
How's that?
I think it's going to be Trading with the Bull Barbie.
There you go. Bull Barbie's getting one.
It's her birthday. Didn't you know, Steven?
It's Bull Barbie's birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Happy birthday, Bull Barbie. Everybody wish Bull Barbie a happy birthday. The market is not going to crash tomorrow. The new people here are from Austin, Texas. Happy birthday, Bull Barbie. Very quiet here. I knew this was going to happen too this week. Gold had great patterns today. 15-minute, 30 and 15. Oversold. Beautiful. S&P getting ready for another short. I would wait. The first cut is the deepest. Barbie permanently 19. Okay. All right. Anybody still short the gold? Crazy. We were short S&Ps up to 67.30. You blinked, they were trading 66.74. They rallied from 76 all the way up to even maybe like 20 in a blink of an eye. Congratulations. Who? Shanghai, 1 minute to the opening. All right. 8:30. See if this gold can get one more push up here. Option man, good job of 1650 on the S&P. Bull Barbie, there's There you go. Shanghai opened a minute ago. Okay. S&P's off the 3-minute. S&P's, if you're still short, lower your stops. Hit that thing. Good job. $300 on your first account. Well, you're welcome on the giveaways, but remember, oh, wow, look at the gold drop. Gold just dropped about 4. Very quiet here. I'd like to see him push up one more time on the S&Ps. NASDAQ up 41 off from the 10 bar. Gold just got completely kabooshed. This is the link right here, Denny. Is this the link? Happy birthday to Bo Barbie.
Yeah. That's the link. Ethan, you already know how I feel about people who try and cheat the system.
No cheating.
No cheating. You get the band hammer.
Good little day, though, really, in all honesty. Trading is good, all. Okay. If you trade the right patterns, it doesn't make a difference. You trade what's right in front of you. I should have taken that medicine. Oof. It's kicking my butt. Yep. You mess with the truck, you get dumped on. All right, this gold's pushing up here. 79. Really very, very quiet. Gold got just went kaboom, making new highs. Is it late or early in Kenya? I would think it's early. Let's see here. If these S&Ps get up to the 83, 83 and a half, I would look to short them up to 87 and a half, 88, 89, 88 and a half, 89 and a half. Gold. We need it's too quiet, people. Oh. Really just want to see if the patterns are going to sit up here. Really quiet tonight, Denny, huh? Really quiet. I think if you could trade during during the Asian markets, I think during that London session, it's really, it works good. All right. All right.
It's very
Let's go
quiet,
back.
Steven.
Very quiet.
Very quiet.
I might even say we cut this at 9:30. It's not. There's nothing going on, Denny.
I mean, if that's how you feel, Steven.
Yeah. No, I never like to cut early, but I don't even see gold doing anything. I think tomorrow's going to be worse. Got 31 million people traveling this weekend. Can you believe it?
I can. That's probably why we're so why it's so dead right now.
Well, Bo Barbie brought over. We got 1,449 people watching.
Mm-hmm.
And those of you who are new and you want to learn from me, my cell phone number is 914. Again, 914-500-7484. Okay. Very quiet here. Oh.
Trading is hard sometimes. It's hard if you make it hard.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Good, Daddy.
Follow your rules. Create rules for yourself. Follow them. And
Exactly.
trading won't be that hard.
No breaking any rules here.
Market's dead.
Completely dead. I mean, we may have to cut this over like at 9:15. Doesn't pay. Nothing's going on.
Well, I know in 22 minutes there's red news. There's a press conference.
We got the Australian interest rate decision, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want, Moose?
I don't know about that.
What?
WP Kaysen said life's like a box of chocolates. Okay, with a stick.
Will you have manners, please? All right, there goes the gold, making new highs. You think China's going to pop once it passes through resistance? Okay. All right, let's see if this gold S&Ps can drop. Gold making new highs here. Gold making new highs.
Steven, someone said, "Where's your thoughts on silver?"
Oh, that's a good one. Let's look at silver.
I don't. If gold ain't doing much, I doubt silver is. Oh, yeah, there you go. Not doing nothing.
Well, let's see the 60 here. 60. Tell me I would be long on the silver.
You
I would be long.
Go right ahead, Ethan. Everybody's like, no, not silver.
No, right? Beautiful bull flag.
Silver can either be really nice to you or it can kill you very quick. Stephen Clutch, CT Clutch said that he hopes you get feeling better really soon.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm not feeling too well tonight. I got this severe pain in my upper chest.
Well, I can close the giveaway form in the next
Yeah, I might
5
want to
to
cut
10
this out
minutes.
like in 30 minutes. Then I went to the doctor today. I wasn't feeling too well.
All right. We'll cut it early then tonight.
You're
Barbie
on the
said that
you're on the February contract on gold.
Barbie says she needs her bestie in tip-top shape.
She needs a what?
Her bestie in tip-top shape.
Yeah. I had to call Bull Barbie from the car.
She's a great person.
Oh no, I talked to her already. Phenomenal person. Phenomenal. And I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. The first cut is the deepest.
All right, chat. I'm going to close this form in the next 2 minutes. So if you haven't signed up, please sign up now. We'll do giveaways at 8:55, and then we're ending the stream at 9:05.
Then he has to get on the road anyway. Just really quiet. We'll be back again tomorrow night at 8.
Yep. We all want Steven to get better.
If this gold gets to 85.80 to 91.80, I would look to short the gold. If it gets up there. Yeah, they said it was a strained muscle right here. Man, I never felt pain like that. You have no idea what pain is like. I couldn't sleep at all last night. I couldn't sleep at all last night. Get back. Well, gold just got cabooshed.
NQ Futures, yes, tomorrow will be the last night for this week because Thursday is Thanksgiving, so we will not be having a stream.
What happened that the 30-minute goals we've the continuous contract are taking it out, right? Yeah, the Cox inhale. They said it was a strained muscle. How I have no idea.
I think it could be pneumonia or the flu or something.
No, they checked me for that. Oh. Man, I couldn't even, like, if I tried to. Brutal. No, I take a baby aspirin a day. All right. You got a little mini bull flag here setting up the goal.
Steven, you ready to go ahead and do the giveaways?
Yeah, let's do the giveaways. Might as well.
We'll do the giveaways and then we'll end the stream at 9
Okay.
in 15 minutes.
Let's go.
I don't know if MyFundedFutures will have any Black Friday deals. You just got to stay tuned and find out. Go uninstall. Go uninstall. Are you here? Believe it or not, this was not a lot of people. It was only 300 that signed up. Yeah. Well, hey, go uninstall. I see that you're here. Yeah, I know what Magnus has been saying.
Here comes the gold. Gold, look to cover the gold short if you're between the 82 and a half, 85 and a half range. Gold should get a nice pullback here.
Invest Star, are you here? Invest Star, are you here?
Invest Star, let's go. Bo Barbie, I'll call you at 9 o'clock when I'm heading home.
Hey, Investor. All right. Next. Bar bag. Or babar bayag. I see you.
Registration's closed for them right now.
Ike, are you here?
Ike. I thought I saw him earlier.
I did not see him earlier. But everybody's been responding really quick, so maybe he will too.
Yep. $15-minute time frame is way overbought. You got 2 children, Denny?
I have 3. She's okay. She's running around inside. 4X Lover, are you here? She has not been asleep yet either, and it's definitely close to her bedtime. She didn't take no nap today. Yep. But that's good for us. It means that she'll sleep in the car.
There you go.
All right. All right. That's our 5 winners for tonight. We will have another 5 tomorrow.
Thank you, Denny. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, back. All right, we're gonna probably call it quits here in about 9 more minutes. Really, nothing going on. Just trade flows. Good evening. And again, Bo Barbie, thank you for bringing over your people in your Discord that want to hear us. I appreciate it. Man. It's like
Barbie said, what time frames do you like to watch?
15, 30, and hourly. So when you get the pullback here, that's silver. You get the pullback here on the S&Ps. right here at 245. Denny, you got any plans for Thanksgiving, Denny? You going to Indiana? You said to see your folks?
Yep, going up to Indiana to see some family up there, and then turning around, coming home, and then 3 weeks later going right to Disney.
Oh, wow.
For Christmas.
Not going this time?
Huh? No, I'm not from Indiana. I'm from North Carolina, but
Look at the gold
some
drop.
family moved up there.
Anybody get the gold? Get the gold? Good job.
I did not say India. I said Indiana.
Oh, my God. Look at the gold drop. Just dropped 3 points.
Where at, Andre? Or Andre? Andre, where you from, North Carolina? Asheville. Oh, I was just in Asheville the other day.
What we doing there?
Went shopping. They have clearance stores out there. My wife's like, "Oh, I want to go there for shopping." So I took her out there. All right, chat. We're gonna call it quits. We're gonna go ahead and close up the stream for tonight.
Yeah, it's
Let
really
Steven
quiet.
go home and get some rest. And
Thank you. Yeah, I don't
Yes,
really
sir.
feel too well here tonight. I don't. Thank you, Bull Barbie. I'll call you in about 10 minutes. I just want to say thank you for everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night here at 8. I'm on some heavy medicine here. It's knocking the crap out of me. This is like unbelievable. I have this whole strained muscle up here, and it's just ripping me to shreds. But good night, everybody. God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow. Use the chartist. Okay, Steve Cooper, thank you. So many new people here. Again, there's a link there above if you want to get a free 5-day free trial to my live stream. If not, I stream every day from 9 to 4. Also, if you'd like to reach out to me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Also, I host a podcast every night called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my YouTube channel. So I hope to see you all there. Hey, I'm sorry I'm cutting out a little early tonight. I really don't feel well. Let's see here. I think this gold can pull in about $10. Anyway, with that being said, God bless you and God bless the United States of America. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, Denny. Good night, everybody.
good night, Steven. Get well.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen, trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.